Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through several methods to fix the no sound problem in Windows 11 computers. If you're experiencing problems with your audio, follow these steps to get your sound back without too much hassle. So let's jump right in. First, take a look at your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and locate the sound option. If you notice a small X icon on top of that icon, click on it once to unmute, then drag the volume bar to the right to adjust your audio output. This simple check can often resolve the issue. Now, if you're still facing the problem, open your search menu and type Control Panel. Now in Control Panel, set your view to large icons right over here and click on Sound. In the Sound Settings window, select your default Playback device and then right-click on it. After that, just simply click on Properties. Now navigate to the Enhancement section and check the box for Disable All Enhancements. Then click Apply, then hit OK to save your changes before closing the window. For the next method, open the search menu again, and this time simply search for Services. Now open the option. In the Services window, scroll down and find Windows Audio Services. Or you can simply press W on your keyboard to locate that particular service. Once you have found it, double-click on it, and in the Properties window, set the startup type to Automatic right over here. If the service isn't running, click on the Start button. Then simply click Apply, then hit OK to finalize the settings. Now for the last method, open your search menu again and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, locate the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section. Then select this arrow to expand the option. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Now click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now simply select your audio device from the list, and then click Next. Once the driver update is complete, click Close, then close the Driver Manager. Finally, restart your computer. Once you have booted back, your sound issue should be fixed. And that's it. Your sound should be restored on your Windows 11 computer. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.